So welcome back to another what I eat in a day, showing you guys some really easy, healthy meals. And I thought I would do a spin on a normal one. And all of these are gonna be 5 ingredients or less. So everything I eat is gonna be really simple to make, only a few things, and of course, be delicious. If you are new to my channel and like healthy eating and recipes, feel free to subscribe. I do follow like intermittent fasting in the morning, and I eat intuitively, as well as being gluten-free, dairy-free, and mostly grain-free as well. So it is about 9:30. I'm getting hungry. It is time for breakfast, and I'm going to make a yogurt bowl. I'm craving like some yogurt bowl with granola and some fruit. It just sounds really delicious to me this morning. So let's go ahead and build it. Oh, and of course, had my coffee this morning, which isn't super exciting because you guys have seen me make it time and time again. I just use an organic dark roast. I put it in a pour over, or I use the Four Sigmatic. I kind of change it up. And that's kind of, I just have my black coffee, but it's definitely something I look forward to every single morning. So for my yogurt bowl, this is the one I'm using. I'm trying this one out. It's new, I've never tried it. It's a non-dairy organic alternative, so we'll see if that tastes good. This is the grain-free granola. Again, a new one that I'm trying out. I'm gonna add a scoop of collagen to the yogurt to boost the protein, and then I'm topping it with some fresh organic blueberries from the market and some frozen pomegranate seeds, which I really like the mix of the pomegranate seeds on a yogurt bowl. So it's time for lunch, and I'm going to make a quick little tuna salad. Canned tuna is definitely something that I like to have on hand. It's an easy, quick protein that just stays stable in the pantry. Make sure to get wild tuna though, that is important, so you don't get a lot of the heavy metal buildups like mercury and things like that. But we're gonna go ahead and make a quick tuna salad. So I'm just using some organic spring mix. This is my can of tuna. I'm probably only gonna use half. I'm gonna throw in a handful of seeds for crunch. I have some leftover cauliflower rice that I'm gonna add, and then I'm gonna add in some lime for some flavor. I typically add whatever leftover veggies I have to a salad, have it with protein, and then this not only adds crunch and flavor, but pumpkin seeds are loaded with magnesium and with zinc, which is really good for you. Lots of minerals in like nuts, and it adds a crunch. So this is kind of like the overview. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my big salad. I feel like I didn't say this, but in my 5 ingredient meals, I'm not counting like salt, pepper, olive oil, things that are like, you know, the basics in the kitchen as like one of my 5 ingredients. It's only something that like you might have to go out and get, because I feel like most of us have an oil at home and salt and pepper. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy. Also, let me know down below if you're the type to like mix up your salad, or whether you eat it kind of like this, or if you like mix everything together. I feel like I'm normally like an eat individual type of person. So I'm going to make a little afternoon chocolate smoothie. Chocolate smoothies are by far my favorite kind of smoothies. I definitely have a smoothie like almost every day. If you saw my video, like how I'm staying healthy right now, day in the life, which I will link, having a smoothie is like a great way to get in nutrients. And the great thing about chocolate smoothies is that when you add raw cacao to your smoothie, we're not cooking it. So we get all of the amazing benefits that is in the raw cacao. Raw cacao is loaded with antioxidants and it's loaded with magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that a lot of people are deficient in. In fact, it's the top mineral deficiency is magnesium. Magnesium helps you relax. It helps relaxes your muscles, and it's needed for a lot of the different like processes and enzyme reactions that go on in our body. So it's important to get magnesium. Plus we have antioxidants and it tastes like chocolate. So can't go wrong. So my formula for smoothies is protein, healthy fats, fiber, and then, well, greens if it's a green smoothie, but we're not adding greens to a chocolate smoothie. I mean, you could, I just don't have any on hand. So we're gonna blend this up with some ice and some almond milk and we will be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my smoothie. Honestly, it tastes like a milkshake. It's full of great healthy fats and protein, and it's super low sugar too, which is perfect because the key is really keeping our blood sugar stable. That's what we wanna do. And the protein, fats, and fiber really help us do that. So I'm about to make dinner. I make dinner early. I like to eat around 5:30. Today is gonna be 5:30 because I just lost track of time doing some work. But I'm going to make sweet potato broccoli with a tahini sauce on it and then some grass-fed beef. What I like to do is I basically buy the protein that is on sale, and I found this one on sale, so that's the one I'm eating. That's kind of like how I switch things up. I just buy what's on sale. And if you guys have seen my recent videos, you know I'm obsessed with this lemon tahini dressing. It is so good. I put it on sweet potato, on vegetables, on chicken, on meat, on everything. It's just a fun sauce. It really adds flavor to your meals. Fun. I mean, you could even thin it out and use it as a salad dressing. You could use it as a spread. You could use it as a dip. It's just really delicious. I'll leave the recipe for it. So the 5 things going into my dinner is sweet potato, broccoli, the lemon tahini dressing sauce, the grass-fed beef, and then a little bit of fresh like cilantro just sprinkled on top. Herbs add tons of flavor, so I always like to pick up a fresh herb for the week, and then that's kind of what I use in my meals. Not only to mention that fresh herbs also have like tons of antioxidants and great things in it for you. Like cilantro is a great like detox herb. It's a lot of things, like people use it in juices a lot, but I like to just like sprinkle it on top, or you can add it to guacamole. I feel like cilantro is definitely one of those things that like people love it or hate it, but I'm actually kind of in the middle, so maybe that's not true. Anyways, let's go ahead and cut up our sweet potato and our broccoli to get it ready for the oven. Oh, you guys saw me use this earlier, and you saw me use it in my last video, and I think I said this in my last one too. I am in love with smoked paprika. Smoked paprika on your potatoes tastes amazing, and I put it on my tuna today. It also tasted really good. Also, the combo of the smoked paprika with the lemon tahini, oh my gosh, it is delicious. So highly recommend trying out smoked paprika if you haven't yet. Also, Japanese sweet potato is my favorite kind of sweet potato. I find it's less sweet, it's super yummy. I, drizzle it with a little bit of avocado oil, put it in the oven. I keep it simple, and some garlic, and yeah, that's kind of like what we're gonna do. Let's go ahead and finally get started. So this is my finished meal. We have the roasted sweet potato, roasted broccoli, and then a little bit of grass-fed beef I drizzled it with a tahini and finished it with some fresh cilantro. So delicious. We've got lots of protein, healthy fats, a little bit of complex carbs, and lots of yummy veggies too. So as you guys can see, I've got my blue blockers on, which means it's the end of the night and the end of this what I eat in a day. I'm going to leave my last what I eat in a day here. Hopefully this gave you some inspiration and showed you that healthy eating does not have to be complicated. And a lot of the times I just eat really like basic meals. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.